Hello! A quick bonus video today. I just wanted to show the insane electrical storm we had in London last night. I was coming back from some travels, obviously, and here I am on the train coming into London. I think that's just leaving Clapham Junction at this point, so the last, 10-15 minutes on my way into London. And I was looking out of the window and just seeing these constant flashes of lightning. I've never seen anything like it, definitely not in London. So I started filming. There's a bit of footage just coming into Waterloo here, and then I get out, walk along the South Bank, down the Thames, past the London Eye, Big Ben, all that stuff. I'm going to leave the pictures to speak for themselves, but see if you can spot one guy who's had a really dumb idea. Yep, there he is. A special round of applause, please, for the man who saw the biggest electrical storm London has had in living memory and decided that this was a good time to go fishing with a nice, long, electrically conductive rod. I'm guessing someone didn't really pay attention in physics class. Oh well, who knows, maybe he caught some electric eels. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe to the channel for more travel, trekking and transport, and I will see you soon.